Most likely you've seen the Dead Rose emoji or the bamboo emoji appear in quite a lot of videos or in the comment sections. But why? Let's start with the Dead Rose emoji, also known as the Wilted Flower Emoji. In early 2025, it replaced the broken heart emoji among TikTok and Instagram users, becoming the ironic signage of feeling damaged. The emoji became a meme when TikTok users began pointing out that the broken heart emoji had become too mainstream. They started saying things like, broken heart emoji low-key starting to become too mainstream, I might start using the Dead Rose emoji. After that tipping point, the Dead Rose emoji got pulled into many meme formats. Posts that used to end with the broken heart emoji now showed the Dead Rose emoji. Reaction images, text posts, slideshows, comment sections, people use it in a lot of different ways. This emoji is part of a broader trend, however. When something becomes too common, the niche meme community looks for the next meme. Just like with the broken heart that became the rose has now become this bamboo emoji, as it looks somewhat similar to the Dead Rose emoji. The bamboo emoji is called the Tanabata Tree emoji, which is a reference to a Japanese festival celebrating two heavenly lovers. The emoji was first explained on TikTok back in 2022 by Sylvia Wakana.
Do you know what this emoji is?
And the comment section is now full of people saying that she was ahead of her time. But it was this video uploaded by I'm Going to Block You that was uploaded in July of 2025 that pointed out the similarity between the two emojis. And slowly but surely, the niche meme community started to switch from the Dead Rose emoji to the bamboo emoji. And in that sense, it has a lot in common with 6'7", Totya, W Speed Moments, I'm a Dude Man, that once some memes become too popular, you have to switch to the next one. And Isaiah explains that perfectly.
Alright, we was using this emoji, we're using this one now, alright? Keep it niche, don't tell nobody, alright? Keep it niche, on the low.